Today, North America faces many challenges, including energy security. Our growing consumption of oil causes concern and puts us at risk. The environment. How can we reduce the impact vehicles have on our environment? Lowering exhaust and greenhouse gas emissions, which may contribute to climate change. Our workforce. To remain competitive on a global basis, we need a skilled workforce conversant in advanced vehicle technology. And finally, the economy. The economic challenges that face the transportation industry. How do we bring together advanced vehicle technology and alternative fuels into vehicles that appeal to the North American market and that can be fueled in local neighborhoods or across the U.S. or Canada? To address these significant challenges, the U.S. Department of Energy has joined forces with General Motors and 17 North American universities to develop ChallengeX, crossover to sustainable mobility. ChallengeX brings together government, industry, and academia to develop and explore vehicle solutions that can reduce the environmental impact and energy consumption of the vehicles while maintaining the performance and utility features customers desire.
Our business at the university is the training and education of engineers, and this is a very good platform to do that. And ChallengeX and the prior competitions, Future Truck, HEV Challenge, and all of those enable students to work on a real-world problem, hands-on engineering, and then go to a competition with 10 to 15 other teams over the years and show the world and the other teams what we're able to do.
ChallengeX gives students an opportunity to participate through hands-on research and development with leading-edge automotive propulsion, fuels, materials, and emissions control technologies.
We at the Department of Energy think part of our mission is to help provide for the future energy security of the nation. And if we're to do that well, we're going to have to partner with the private sector, such as General Motors and others, to develop a next-generation type of personal transportation that doesn't require oil and doesn't pollute our environment.
The United States consumes 25% of the world's oil, yet our nation produces just 10% of the global supply and accounts for only 2% of the world's petroleum reserves. The transportation sector accounts for 67% of the U.S. oil consumption. 51% is used by on-road vehicles. Although Canada is a net oil exporter, energy efficiency remains a key element of Canada's environmental strategy.
Looking at hydrogen technology, fuel cells, and the other advanced technologies, one of the main reasons we are developing them is to address climate change, the emissions of greenhouse gases, and we want to use our energy more efficiently. And these challenges move us along the road to that in developing more energy efficient systems and more environmentally friendly systems in the transportation sector.
Since 1987, the U.S. Department of Energy has sponsored more than 24 competitions, producing a generation of engineers with the knowledge and expertise in energy-efficient technologies to lead the automotive industry into the 21st century.
Well, you know, the ChallengeX program really mirrors our vehicle development process at General Motors. We start with modeling and progress all the way through our subsystem development and finally into vehicle integration, which is a very difficult process right now. It requires highly skilled individuals who have been trained in a lot of different areas to bring a total vehicle together.
Using the 2005 Chevy Equinox, a crossover SUV built and engineered in Canada that redefines utility, performance, and fuel economy, ChallengeX students will endeavor to develop and explore new solutions for the Equinox. To meet this challenge, the students will follow real-world engineering practices and draw upon the support of government and industry sponsors.
Collaboration with our partners in government, academia, and the auto industry is critical for us to succeed. The long-term goal of General Motors is to remove our vehicles from the environmental debate. That means we're trying to get to zero emissions and at the same time have a huge increase in fuel economy, like a 100% increase. This particular ChallengeX is just another stepping stone in our way to achieving that vision.
Year one of ChallengeX focused on modeling, simulation, and testing of the vehicle powertrain and vehicle subsystems. In years 2 and 3, students are integrating their advanced powertrain and subsystems into the vehicle. In year 1, the University of Waterloo won the ChallengeX competition with a series fuel cell hybrid design. And in year 2, at the General Motors Desert Proving Ground in Arizona, Virginia Tech placed first with a split parallel hybrid architecture powered by E85. The teams will compete again at the Milford Proving Ground in June 2007. ChallengeX is a unique collaboration between government, industry, and academia, involving over 30 sponsors and more than 300 participants from 17 North American universities, all committed to promoting an environmentally sustainable future. For more information, visit challengex.org.